What if I told you that one of the most powerful technologies in the world is already answering your emails, writing your resumes, and even helping your kids with homework? But almost no one really understands how it works. This video won't turn you into a computer scientist, but it will give you the clearest, most human-friendly explanation of ChatGPT you've ever heard. And by the end, you'll be the smartest person in the room when it comes up at work, school, or dinner. Look, I get it. You've heard the words neural network, language model, tokens, and your brain just checks out. It's confusing. It sounds like science fiction. But here's the good news. You don't need to speak tech to understand what's actually happening behind the scenes when you chat with ChatGPT. Today, I'll explain it using something we all have, a messy drawer. Yes, really. Here's what we'll unpack together, in plain English. How ChatGPT takes your words and decides what to say next. Why it sometimes sounds brilliant, and other times completely makes stuff up. What training means, and no, it doesn't go to school. And what all this means for your job, your privacy, and your future. And we'll keep it visual, simple, and a little fun. Let's open up that drawer. Imagine a drawer in your kitchen. Now picture that drawer absolutely crammed with recipe cards. Millions of them. Each card shows part of a conversation between people. Like, how do I bake a cake? Preheat the oven to 350. What's the capital of Spain? Madrid. These aren't random. They've been carefully written down from real books, websites, articles, emails, even Reddit threads. The drawer is basically everything humans have ever said online. Now imagine asking the drawer a question. It doesn't think like a human. It just flips through those recipe cards at lightning speed, looking for the ones that match your words and finding the most statistically likely answer. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's not thinking. It's predicting. One word at a time. Let's try this. If I say, roses are red, violets are... Your brain probably said blue without even trying. That's because you've seen that phrase before. It's familiar. ChatGPT plays this game, but with trillions of word combinations. It doesn't know what words mean. It just knows what tends to come next. It's like a supercharged autocomplete, trained on the entire internet. So, how did it learn all this? Great question. Picture this. We show the AI billions of sentences, then we challenge it. What's the next word? If it gets it wrong, we say, nope, try again. If it gets it right, we say, good job. And we do this over and over for months on supercomputers. That's training. It's not emotional. It's not aware. It's just math, adjusting itself every time it's wrong. So why does it feel like a person? Because language is human. When it's trained on us, it reflects us. But it doesn't understand the world. If you ask it to make up a bedtime story or explain quantum physics, it doesn't know anything. It's just combining patterns it's seen before. Sometimes it gets creative. Other times, it hallucinates. That's the fancy way of saying it makes stuff up. Not on purpose. Just bad guesses dressed in perfect grammar. Now here's where it hits home. ChatGPT and tools like it are already being used to write job descriptions and cover letters, summarize legal documents, code websites, create lesson plans, write product descriptions on Amazon, even help therapists rephrase advice to patients. It's not replacing everyone, but it's changing how a lot of jobs get done. Knowing how it works, even just the basics, gives you an edge. If this made ChatGPT a little less mysterious, Imagine what you'll understand in the next video. Hit like so YouTube shares this with someone else still scratching their head. And subscribe for more clear, no jargon explainers, because AI is moving fast, and you deserve to keep up.